Hi, this is Rich Ramsey with You Never Die Entertainment, and we're going to have a simple tutorial on how to add a music player on top of your HTML5 video player on your web page. We'll give a little demo. Here's a link right here. See? Simple music player with a close button right on top of it. So to do this is very simple. You simply create a second identical web page on your server, and the identical web page is just going to have the music player and a close button on top of your video. So how do we do this? First off, find a page that you want your video to have a music player on top of. This looks like a good page for me. So we'll open up Notepad. We'll find the web page file. Call this one Toot Screen, Toot for tutorial. And you simply take the original page and copy the whole thing. Then in your text editor, open up an untitled page and paste everything into the untitled page. Now, to find a music player, I use SoundCloud.com because I have all of my music uploaded to it already, and they seem to have pretty cool universal players that work very well on websites and all the web browsers out there, and it has been the best player I found. You can upload up to 120 minutes of music for free and then use their player on your website. But it's very important that you own all of the rights to the music that you use, especially when you put it on the internet, because it causes problems if you don't do that. But this is my music, so I'm safe. So we'll pick a song. I like the Hollywood Highlander. Hit the share button. We'll edit it here a little bit, and I want it to autoplay. Pick up the code. X out of there. We'll go back to our original video page. Go to our untitled page, and you simply paste the player. This is the video tags right here. You paste the player above the video tags, like so. So there's my video player. Now, we need to put a close button. Here's my low-tech back button, which simply sends the person back to the previous page. You can see the exact coding, or just go on the internet and type in how to make a back button, but you can see the coding for this button at standupcomedy.me/tutorials/HTML5 video if you want to see that. So we're going to put our close button right on top of the music player. So we have a close button and a music player added to the top of our video on our newly created untitled page. And that's basically all you have to do. So let's name this page. We'll call it Music Toot Screen. And put the HTML tag at the back so that it gets read as a browser page. Save it. And now go back to our original page. And all you have to do on the original page is add a link to the music player. I've got one here already in my cheat sheet, so let's put this link right here. Copy it. Go to our original web page. And right below the video, you can center it, put in a link to the page that you just created the music player on. So it's Music Toot Screen. Give the link a name so people know what they're going to. We'll call it Music Player. and save it. Now go to your file share and upload both files into the server, the updated original page with the link and the newly created music page. So we'll go back to our web page, hit refresh, and we see that we have a music player link right here. And just push that link and we have our music player with the close button. So it's a simple trick, but it works. So if you want to share your good music on top of your video player, but you don't want to have it showing on your main page, you can just put a link down here. And that's it. It's that simple. Now, here's my main page. If you know anybody that needs help setting up their own HTML video player, you can send them here. You could learn how to create 2 player sizes to increase a video and decrease a video. You could add social link like Facebook and Twitter with the close button. You can add an embed link with the close button. A playlist link with the close button. And switch from HD and SD, which is a crude form that sends the video back to the beginning, but it works. And first and foremost, watch my movie called Woggy. It's about a man that moves to Los Angeles seeking fame and fortune, but ends up wearing a dinosaur costume on Hollywood Boulevard, taking photos with tourists for cash donations. It's very funny, very funny. And here is a player that I made using all those options that I just showed you, and it's embeddable. So instead of, say, making 25 web pages with 25 videos and wanting people to embed it, you can have people embed a player with a playlist of all of your actual videos on it. So you can find the tutorials and the player I just showed you at standupcomedy.me/tutorials/HTML5 video. I hope this has been helpful and enjoy some good music. Take care.